Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your MX-5 front bumper using an easy method. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim clip removal tool. Next, safely raise the front of your car using a jack and secure it with 2 axle stands. This provides crucial clearance. Finally, turn your front wheels to full lock, either left or right, to gain better access to the fender liner area. Now, let's tackle the sides. Begin by removing the plastic clips that secure the front part of your wheel arch liners. A trim removal tool makes this simple. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the hidden mounting points. You will find 2 10mm nuts and 1 10mm bolt on each side, connecting the bumper to the fender. Carefully remove these fasteners to free the bumper's sides. Moving to the top and bottom, open your bonnet and remove the 6 to 8 10mm bolts located along the top edge of the bumper. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors for your turn signals and running lights. Each is typically held by 2 Phillips head screws. Finally, get underneath the car and remove approximately 10 8mm bolts or Phillips head screws that secure the bumper to the under tray and chassis. With all fasteners removed, the bumper should now be ready to come off. Gently pull it forward from the sides and then the front to release any final clips or tabs. Exercise caution, especially around painted surfaces, to avoid scratches. A soft cloth can offer protection. Once free, carefully set the bumper aside. Reinstallation is straightforward. Simply reverse these steps, ensuring all bolts, nuts, and electrical connections are securely fastened for a safe and proper fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.